Hi, it's Angela here from Vivacity Coaching and Consulting. I've been helping training organisations all over Australia to get compliance, save time and save money since 2009. I've gone through all of the highs and lows of running a registered training organisation, as well as over 15 years I've been helping RTOs with their compliance and business success and getting that balance between compliance and business success. We've got extensive training that we do, and we've also got a superhero membership. So the superhero membership is where we help you and your team within your RTO to manage your ongoing compliance. And we do that through training and coaching. We have consult days. We do annual systems checks. We also do assessment validation, where we're helping you lead and facilitate the assessment validation team. We also have all of the policies, procedures, forms and documentation that is required as an RTO that is compliant and been through many ASQA audits with against the standards for registered training organisations. We're also currently updating all of our policies, procedures, forms and documents to meet the current requirements and the future requirements when it comes to the new draft standards for RTOs. So if you'd like to know more about our superhero membership, click on the link below, and I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love for you to join our successful team of leaders in the vet sector and help you learn and grow as an RTO.